YouTube. Welcome back, guys. Today I got this special unboxing for you guys to check it out. This is the AIRHOGS. This is FPV high speed race car, and it comes with this VR headsets, which is nice. And it also gives you live video streaming, precision steering, and wide angle camera lens. This one is the race series collection course. I got this at the Target with the red tag sale. Original price is $99.99, and then I got it for $49.98. And this one is recommended 8 years or older. And it says it requires 2 of the AAA battery, which is not included. LR03. And it contains one of the 3.7 volt, 450 milliamp LiPo battery. All right. And this is some of the mumbo jumbo that you need to recycle the battery correctly and stuff like that. Don't throw the rechargeable battery or any other battery into the trash can. You gotta put in your recycle bin, okay? For the waste electrical and electrical equipment regulations require. Let me zoom in real quick. This is the FPV headsets, first person view. That's what it stands for. It has a super tough frame built in with the crash resistant frame. Talk about the car frame, okay? Engineered for safety, strict safety testing, and 2.4 gigahertz frequency for long range controls. So you could download the apps from the Google Play Store or your App Store. And this is recommended for indoor or outdoor. And this is what's included in the content. FPV race car, FPV headsets, controller, user instruction guide, and then USB charging cable. You can visit airhog.com. And this is what it says on the side of the box, on the top. And let's check out on the back. So this is what it look like if you looking through the VR app. It says scale speed up to 160 miles per hour. Yeah, right. Oh, it has a front and rear LED lights. Nice. Which it says right here. There's your front LED lights. And then 120-degree field of view. There's a lot of viewers are questioning about those. And live video streaming. Adjustable straps, smartphone required for FPV. This is made in China. So let's go ahead and then open the tape. And then hopefully I'm not gonna mess up my... Should get my knife. Oh my god. Yeah, let me go get a knife real quick. So let's slide this open. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at that. Oh, what's that? There's a scratch already. Hope this is not like a customer return. That's why it's on sale. Sometimes the red tag sales is a customer return, so you gotta be careful and then make sure you inspect everything before you keep it or anything like that. Okay. Problem or question, you could contact this number in case you have a problem with the merchandise. So they come with this instruction. So they show you the charging port, and there is a 120 degree FPV lens, and then there is an on and off switch. Power switch, power LED, which is right here, and then this is the turbo boost. Wow. And right here is a record video button, upper left. This is a throttle lever, up and down, and then a direction lever, left or right. And then take a snapshot, which is on the right hand side right here. And then the one on the left, enable, disable, mix video mode. Okay, try that and test out for you guys to see. So it requires 2 of the AAA battery for the controller. Come with the USB charging cable. So you can charge it with your PC or any other USB connector that has power. So you can charge your vehicle. So the approximate charging time is about 80 to 90 minutes. So it says wait 10 to 15 minutes to let the battery cool down. So okay, yeah, because that makes sense, because when you drive the car, the battery tends to heat up, and you don't want to charge the battery while the battery is still hot. You want to make sure you let it cool down 10 to 15 minutes, or else your battery is going to swell up, okay? And that will damage the battery in the long run. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Ooh. Oh my god, it is horrible. I hate it when they do this. So let's see. Hopefully it's easy. Just pull the strap out of the groove, and that should unlock it. Oh, this is make it easier than the plastic zip tie. Let's get this thing out. Hope this is an unscrew or what? Oh, simple, see? Just twist and pull. All right, make sure I keep those tabs. Oh, this one is different. Okay, say screw this way. But clockwise in order to unscrew it. All right, so I think we are set. Yes, nice and easy. And then there is your charging cable right here. It's tucked in on the side. So this is a micro USB charging cable. So you gotta make sure it only fit one direction. Okay. And then there is your alignment right there for you to adjust. Oh, so tight. And your on and off switch right here. And your tiny antenna right there. So I'm not sure why is it there's a stain or kind of messed up right here. It looks brand new to me. What the? Maybe not. What the? Is this used or what? Look at this. So dusty right there. Unless did they clean it or what the? Oh my god. Yeah, it's pretty dusty right there. It's not brand new. That's why you got those marking right there. I am pretty sure this must be a customer return. So anyway, and then there is your front LED lights. There is your camera right there. Oh, sorry, I peeled my tangerine. That's why my nail looks orange. I just ate it. And a lot of you guys say, disgusting. Cut your nail. Anyway, there's a charging port right there. So as you can see, it is scratched up. So yeah, this is not brand new. So I guess I'm gonna return this later on. So I expected to buy a brand new one. As you can see, it's scratched up there as well, and right there. So hopefully they sanitize. What the? Wow. Normally is that you got like 2 at the magnifying lens, but this one is pretty wide, which is good. Well, if you just buy the lens, the VR goggle, it will run you about like $19 already, or $29, depending on what brand, or even higher. But this one looks pretty cheap to me, so I'm gonna test out my Samsung S8 Plus. because one of the viewers was asking me about the VR headset. Does it fit the Samsung S8 Plus? And I forgot to do that, so I could do that video as well when I do this review. So this is just a plastic, and there is no headset or anything like that for you to plug in. But you got this adjustable strap. There's a Velcro right here for you to adjust to different size. I'm not sure about the... Oh yeah, right here. How come only on one side? Oh, I guess only on one side. So you could only adjust on the right hand side because there's no Velcro around this area. On the right hand side, you got like about this much for you to adjust. So your battery goes in here, your on and off switch, your up and down, left and right, snapshot, and what's the other button? And video, and then turbo boost. I forgot what's this button right here. Let me check. This button is to enable or disable mixed video mode. So I'm not sure what's that about, but we'll see. So this controller look kind of like pretty cheap. I don't know, AIRHOGS, if it's regular prices, it's like $100. I would not pay $100 then, you know. Looks pretty cheap made. What's that? Cable, where did it go? Did it disappear? Right here. Anyway, let me show you guys cable, how you connect it first. Before we move on to the review. Okay, as you can see right there at the wider part of the connector goes on top, and then the bottom is more narrower. So when you plug it in, you gotta make sure it's like that, okay? And just plug this one in correctly like that. All right. So I'm gonna charge it for 80 to 90 minutes, and then we'll be back doing the full review about this car and how fast it goes. All right. Anyway, thank you for watching, and please be sure to subscribe and hit that subscribe button. Turn on the bell for notification, and drop any other comments on below. All right. And if you guys got any question, make sure you drop it on the comment section. I guess this is your brake button. I mean, brake LED right here. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. All right. Peace out, guys.